Welcome to another Done in 90 Seconds video from PageKey Solutions. Today we'll be installing Qt and running our first program on Linux. First, update and upgrade your packages. Then, install the required packages. Build Essential, Qt Creator, and Qt5 Default. Make a directory for our sample project, qmaketest, and cd to it. Open up main.cpp. We only need to import two Qt classes for this example, QApplication and QLabel. We'll create the QApplication, pass any command line arguments to it, and create a QLabel with our centered message. We set the title and size of the window, then we show it. Now that we have the C++ source file, we can generate the Qt project file. We have to specify that we want to compile with GUI and widgets, so we'll add that to the project file. Let's run qmake on that project file. Great! As you can see, a make file has been generated. Run make to actually compile the application and generate an executable. We've created an executable called qmaketest. Let's try running it. Success! Our window is displayed on the screen. So what's in this make file anyway? We don't have to worry about it. Qt generates a ton of stuff that takes care of the build process for us. Oh, and that project file? Check it out. Pretty short. Unlike other projects where you write your own makefile, you should add this makefile to your gitignore to avoid committing it. In this case, it's a generated file that can be different from computer to computer. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching.